Hello everyone, this is tri-vima Studio and I'm Ajay Suthar, and here I am presenting my new product. Uh, you can see I'm on Blender Market and this is my portal, that is tri-vima Studio, and here I have launched a new product, that is procedural pattern textures for shaders in Blender, a big collection. It is around 80 pattern textures I've created and I have launched this in Blender Market. And now let's see how to use these pattern textures in Blender. So come back to 3.0 Blender to create few objects to demonstrate how to use these textures. It's very small, but I think it's must to show you. Then let's see. Uh, let's take this cube default to the Z1 meters. Let's create a plane and make a ground. So I'm scaling it up. Okay. Then this one should be its size of 1, and let's push this somewhere here, not needed right now. This is the cube, and I want this to be perfectly used, so I'm going to create one more clay that will be a cloth. Yeah, let's push this to up a little. Control R in edit mode, scale it 50, Control R again at this side and 50, and now I need this to be little off. Say I made it somehow this way, should be really interesting. So it's done. Now I need to make this fall at the below objects as a ground, which I am presuming this is the object and this is the ground. So let's have this plane as clothes, this object as collision object, this object also as collision object. Now this object, the plane which I want as cloth to be work, so I'm using this some settings. It's a default setting, not needed to follow on this object, but I need to show you the textures on this, so it will look a little nice. So let's go to catch. I need this range to be 150 frames at the end, not to be 250 frames, and let's bake it. Let's see how it goes. Done. Let's play this. Nice. Well, we have an issue, but I think it will work good. So now the object which I am seeing it, I need to freeze it. So in that case, I'll right click and make it to convert to mesh. So the cloth is now converted, and I will remove this collision from the ground. I will remove the object of this box as the box or cube we call it. I will delete it, so we do that. And here we have something. So let's change the level. Nice. This is fine. Okay. No issue. You want to change it? Let's go. This looks good. Little point. Yeah. Now I need this to be look like a cloth, so I'll go back to my modifier. I'll give solidify at the positive side, and I'll give a thickness, and then I will add subdivision surface with details, little high details. So I can see there is an issue here, it's not a good shape, so let's pull it. I think this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. So now this is my scene, but I cannot see it because I need to set my render settings. That is, go with the less heavier output, so you can see it. I see your textures immediately, so I'm setting it up. You can DM me for this detail setting. I will give you all the screenshot or a video tutorial for us. So next, now here I need to add texture. So let's see the scene first. I'll go to this. I will preview it. So this is the scene. Let's place it a little down. Yeah, this is good, I guess. Let's put this to 1000. Let's go with 1500 and Shift D, and let's push it here and make it 3. This is 3 as a radius, and this will be 5000. Okay, let's press 0 for camera view and press N for camera to viewport. Scroll a little. So this is the texture. coming back to this. Yeah. So I'll see this. So I'll create first this as a default material. Let it be that. Now here I will create, so call it fabric, and I will add my texture pattern node in this. Those nodes are realistic, I mean real time editing. Those nodes have these are many nodes, like 80 textures I made, 80 patterns, and they all are in real time editing or editable anytime. For while you are working in the texture, you want it how you want, you change value and you will get a new little bit of different pattern in that. So let's see. So how do I get this in my current project? From uh, file menu. So I'll go to file menu, append, and we'll check to my texture. And this is my texture, and in this, let's say here it is, and go to no tree, not collection, not material. Go to no tree. Here I have selected. I want to select one. Select a texture. Let's see which texture I should take. There are a lot of. So yeah, I can see. Let us have this texture number 40. See, so let's try this. So come back to this blender, and here we'll search for texture pattern 40. Click on it. It is append but not yet shown. Why? We have to call it here. So Shift A, go to group. Here you have the loaded textures here. So click on it. Done. We got the texture. You cannot see it right now completely. So we need a texture coordinate, mapping coordinate. So how we can get it? If you have node wrangler on, so go to edit, go to preferences, and type here node wrangler. This should be on it. Don't, then on it, and then you can save it for your safety. Save preferences, and then close this preferences. Now Shift A, select this, Control T, press Control T, and you'll get this texture coordinate set. In this, I don't need this image node, so I will remove it, and I'll connect this my UV mapping to the texture pattern node. Now here it should be UV, which is more convenient to show your textures, to show it tileable, to show it perfectly mapped. So here now I'll check what we can do. Like I need blue color dark, I need light color blue here, rich. Okay, so this is also good. Yes, this is fine, and this one should be, yeah. I can change the settings. This one I can change these settings also, and I can do fade in fade out how you want it. I can also do the light fade in fade out also. But the game, the magic is Tyler scale, my own favorite. See, but I don't need this in this angle, so I can change the angle. I will change it angle as 22.5. The 45 is half. See, I got it. You can see this. Let's go a little more. 10. Change it. Okay. Let's have another node. So Control T. Let's first append it. So which one we want it? This one, 46. So let's go to 46. Append. Right click. Now after this I don't want to append it. What we will do? We go here. I have it here. Click on it. See, I got everything and it got updated. Right. Amazing. So sometimes you will get this glitch. Don't worry. Anytime, of course it will be a glitch. So don't worry. Let's go with this. We got this. Let's see about what type of textures we have. Okay, so let's delete this. Add new. Click on it and connect it, and then connect it here. So here you have. Again, I can change it. I can change the rotation. Okay, right, and you can do this. It's nice. It seems like kaleidoscope. Let's change the color. Again, let's have something different. Let's have green. Let's have a little yellow or orange, and nice. It's switch this. So yeah, this is also nice. Okay, I want this to be white, let's put this white. I want this to be red, let's put this red. Okay, nice. So see the effect, and it's amazing. So this way you can use my pattern textures for procedural pattern textures for your shaders, your any type of shaders. All are procedures, you can play with it. So that's it. Let's have one more game in this. Last, I want this to be bump, huge raise option. So let's have a bump mode. Let's see how it works. So coming here, this here. First of all, I'll use the strings connected. Just connect it here at the height, and I want this to be black and this to be white, and let's have a 0, let's have this 10. How I can see it is erased or not? So what happened? Let's put this. See, the black part is in and white part is out. So now you can see. Let's go a little bit brighter. See, here we are. But what happens? I need this to be up and that blue should be down. So just don't worry. Get it to invert. Click on it and you will get this. Don't use. I will suggest don't use always this invert. Instead of that, this is good. You can control it. You want it. You don't want that one. And here it is. So this was it. Thank you, and keep buying, keep encouraging, and enjoy. Thank you. Bye for now.